Hello guys, welcome to another video. This will be a quick one. I'm currently on a Nasdaq trade. I've shorted Nasdaq here. I waited for this price action. There was this gap that was created here, and I was waiting for to see how price reacted to that area, and it reacted well. And I'm targeting this low here. This low here is a bottom of a fair value gap. So even this entry here, if you take a look at this entry well, it was all about the fair value gap. And as well, I can even sell here. You see over here, I can as well enter another position here and put my stop loss up there and target that one to say 1.7 R, yeah, or maybe put, yeah, 1 to 2 R. I can as well enter here and target below there. Remember, this is live. This is like the reason why I'm entering here is because this is the midpoint of, I think this is a hourly bearish fair value gap, which was created long ago. But and also here, this was a 15 minutes fair value gap. This one you're seeing here, this one from this area to this area. So that was it. Let's see how this one goes. Maybe in case I was to end on this second position, our stop loss is just right here. And remember, it's purging back because we just took some sell side liquidity here. You see this relative equal loss? Yes, those ones. That's why price is now purging up. Mm. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Just being patient with it. No pressure. As you can see, if I had entered here, this stop loss is not yet touched. So let's just wait and see. It's dropping again. And definitely, actually, it would have been even better to enter from, you see, from this gap here. See this one? Yes, enter from somewhere here and put a stop loss up there, above there. That would have, given a good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, but I used, this mid hourly. If you have a look up here, and as you can see, we are dropping. So I expect price to drop to here, take this low or fill this 1 minute bullish. If I look up that you have here, let me take a look at it closely. Yeah, or here. We're either gonna be tapping either two of these ones. So we might not even, completely fail this bearish. I mean this bullish 1 minute fair value gap. We might just tap it in here, then bounce back here. But I'm very bearish on Nasdaq. I gave analysis on what to expect on Nasdaq, and as you can see, actually, let's see on. Let's take a look at daily time frame. If you take a look at my previous video on directory of Nasdaq, I said very well. I had marked this this bearish daily fair value gap here, and I said that once we tap in here, we're gonna be coming low to this zone. This one, you see this marked area here. This is a weekly bullish inefficiency of fair value gap. So if I go to weekly time frame so that you can see properly what was happening, this week I don't expect us to close above this gap. So I want to see a drop. We already did the damage up there. Okay, this is the this was the bearish uh, weekly fair value gap that you see price has been trying to balance for weeks. You see this week 1, week 2, week 3, and now we're in week 4. It's now a month. We're just in this bearish weekly fair value gap, and price only went up higher to fill this daily one, this daily fair value gap. Then we drop lower. So I'm expecting us to continue going lower and to fill even this gap here or this inefficiency so that we can go up again. But the cells are back. I'm expecting cells. The bears are back. So let's see what's happening here on this trade we just entered. Okay. Well, as you can see, somebody might say that this stop loss was hit, but it did not. Actually, it was supposed to be on top of this candle, this one here. Okay, but still, even where I put it, it was not violated. I want to take a close look. It was not violated, but it was supposed to be here on top of this handle. It's supposed to be there. Okay, yes, it was supposed to be there, and we're still targeting down here. And as you can see, price action is really good. We're going lower. I'm expecting we create another fair value gap right here, yeah, right now, which is gonna be filled later. But I just need, yes, let's go. We're almost there. So with my original entry here, that's 1 to 7 R, as you can see. That's 1 to 7 R. With the re-entry here is around 1 to 2 R. Okay. So that's it for this video. So in this case, since I had entered here, I'm gonna break even. I'm gonna move the stop loss to break even at this point, and I'll let it. Uh, Let me see how it behaves from this point. Okay. See you in the next one. Cheers.